Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your iMessage send and receive phone number loading in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So you may face that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So you want to resolve your issue. So simply just follow some settings to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. If you don't find where you just disconnect VPN, just tap on General and just scroll down and you see there is an option of VPN and device management. Just tap on that and here you just have it, just disconnect VPN from here. After that, just go back and just gain up and here you just have to update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. To tap on software update and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go back and just go to the content and privacy restriction. If you don't find, simply just go to the search bar and just search content and privacy restriction. I see that content and privacy restriction option. Just tap on that and here you just have to just make sure that it's turn it on, the toggle turn it on. So make sure that after that simply just go back back and again just search messages and you see that is showing. Just tap on that and here you just scroll down and also make sure that the toggle of focus is off because I just turned the don't disturb, so you make sure that it's turned off in your case. After that, simply just scroll down and to see that there is an option of iMessage. Just tap on that, just on out of that toggle. After I see the send and receive option, just tap on that and here your number is showing that. So make sure that it's select your number. If you are messaging with the number, just select the number. If you are messaging with the Apple ID, just tap on Apple ID. Just tick on the Apple, just like that. I just tick the Apple ID. So make sure that settings. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.